Hey everyone, it's Andrew Howell here from RE/MAX Sarnia Realty. I'm super excited to introduce you to my newest listing, 1754 Rutherglen Drive. And let's jump into my top 5 favorite things about this beautiful property. Coming in at number 1 is this fantastic deeded beach access to Lake Huron's sandy shores. What a place to spend summer. And coming in at number 2 is what this area is known for. Large, mature lots overflowing with beautiful trees. And number 3 is this vibrant living room with large, bright windows, beautiful hardwood flooring, and the adjacent dining room overlooking the backyard. In the heart of the home is number 4, this surprisingly large living room addition overlooking the backyard and featuring a beautiful gas fireplace. Escape to your primary retreat for number 5. With his and hers closets, a large ensuite, and a seating area, it's your place to unwind at the end of a busy day.